Hey, if you sell products online and want that interactive 360-degree rotation effect without expensive photo shoots, this tool is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to turn 4 product images into a fully interactive 360-degree product widget in just a few minutes. We'll use the 360 image widget generator by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. For this demo, I'll be using the 4 images of the same product taken from different angles. Just remember, all images should show the same object, ideally with the same background and lighting. The better the input images, the better the final result. And remember, you can include up to 8 images. So, how does it work? The input is pretty simple. The first step is to upload all images. We'll include the 4 images right now. Next, we'll choose the number of views to generate. Since we have 4 pictures, we'll generate 4 views. Then we specify the camera distance from the object, so we'll have it close. And then we choose the temperature. Here's some useful tips for temperature. If it's lower, it'll be more rigid and repetitive. The middle is for good balance of consistency and quality, and too high may introduce unwanted variations. So for this demo, we'll leave it at 0.5. You can also include additional instructions. These instructions guide the AI's generation style and focus. For example, you could tell it keep the background minimal and clean, or emphasize product details and textures, keep colors vibrant and saturated, or use soft diffused lighting. For this one, we'll just specify we want a white background. Now, once you're ready, we run the actor. And now, let it do its magic. Once the run finishes, you get a dataset with everything ready to use. For each product, you receive the generated angle images, a ready-to-use HTML widget, and a live example page showing the widget in action. So let's see it. You can see the widget here, and you can move your mouse to see how it works. And remember, the more images you add and the clearer they are, the better the result. So, instead of paying hundreds of dollars for professional 360-degree photography, you can generate interactive product views in just minutes. This is ideal for e-commerce stores, product landing pages, online catalogs, marketing and showcase websites. If you have any issues with this actor, feel free to contact us. And if you like it, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.